Stin Stambalaya, and the Jelaya, and Susutela, Casogreta, Jura Tangare, Yerje Tangare, Yamana, just Jagi, and that's something that you grace.
So as people went around and looked at your posters, they asked you some questions, they asked for clarifications, and now is your chance to actually use that information to make some reminders to yourself about how you want to improve your plan.
That children deshe jabe kapse agenda zundu staga yon deta chesongla trua triare sekatoyare tinado chikita kitchen uchong grace that tanda tinda chong yecha ani tanda chorong geda chi susula ta tensu tanga sagora tensu tanga chito ta kari chi yeje tanga do kari gangla chi zu gundu te ani tensu tanga gi chite tri baina ani tanda te ta triagi ticho yashit race.
So I think that Tenzin La passed out the sticky note that, let's see, this one. So each group got a few of these sticky notes, and what we would like you to do is in your group, talk about what improvements or expansions you'd like to make on your lesson plan. Write these notes on here and you put it on your own poster so you remember how you can improve your plan.
Tanda chesula dinedo jasho de chinchi chiteyorwa ani de kwal ta susu rukhayorwa thonsentia tadi chinju susu rukhayorwa nalo ne ni chesu de tudir chi chirwa yeje kari tanch do ta chiang chi tung chi sab tanguna kari tangu do tesu de gala chi ani trinu gu jela ya ni susu gu ta jasho so shayorwa o te gala ya jaro chis.
So what you just engaged in is an example of peer evaluation. You received feedback from your peers on your plans. So this is a good example. Some of you wrote that as part of your plan for self-evaluation, but you just engaged in that now. So we want you to understand the value of this exercise.
Thomsentadu chiju tilaya cheshu chiage ane tat halma sona ku chetan chires tinstambala te kapse yana chesula khachila ta gonsu jongde te ta kare yaje tangudu te son yoba tan khashim bana yang ko tishaju dina yoris.
So I think we'll give you about 10 or 15 minutes to remember the points that you received, write them on the sticky notes. You should also write it in your own notebook so you don't forget, because there are multiple people in each group. And then after that, we have a short survey. I don't know if it's short, but a survey that some of the recent, I don't know, what are they called?
Peer mentor.
Peer mentors from Emory University have prepared, and they would like you to complete, but only after you have finished this writing of the notes to yourself on the sticky notes.
Tanda kamachu chunga screen la ya chesu kari chiro chi sena ani tanda chesu la ya gonsu chongsha ju chi orwa ti tanda ge ani shogon de ga tro chi nyam to ni susu ge dite ta logle ga na tro chi kachin la na temper me je chi tro ani ti chinu ge je la ya ani machu tanda ta emerilla ya penyu kusim bana ta lo khashichigo ngon chu peer mentors a chu ta peer mentors na ta lunya ba ka shila yang susula lamton chin ta ropa chin ro ta ko ni le do ta dai le shila de ro ko so ngone ni chi che ship chi ro ta trot len chi ge samsid len chi ge che chi ta du chi sha yores thong yo ma des rim bu ro o te ni ti ge jela ta chama cha ba ina nga su ge che shi chi trot len ti ma tam ge yin te la ya ne anyam chi na o chis.
Okay, so why don't you go ahead and complete this, and then we'll bring everyone together for the survey.
Ane tanda ane ta chu gonso chong sha ju ti tro chis.
Time to reflect on the feedback that you received from your colleagues? Yes. Okay. So right now, one member from each group can take the sticky notes and just go put it on the poster and come back?
Tanda Tachula Trechon Shayoroa. Ani Jag Jashokon Trishayoroa. Ani Dinsen Susuna Miri, so that the Kari Trio Patikis on Susugi de that the Jerry Zushayora, Tika Jarochesa. Yala Jaga Juda. Yala.
Yeah, we want to do this quickly. We have.
Joba Juju. Yala, Juju, the Kari.
So remember, getting feedback is the first step. The second step is responding to it. So remember the suggestions you've received. Don't just forget it today.
Tanda Chesula Samsa Rachigorati, Kurum Tampu Comte Tampu Teres, Tiki Jilla Karichigure, Ne Lanjaguris, Tatwa, the Nansing and Lanjaguris, the Temba Majo Chilas.
When you return, the next thing we would like you to do is take a quick short, this is the short survey that Tenzin and I put together for the pedagogy class. So please use your phone and the QR code, and you can get to this survey. Also in the Google Classroom. It's also there as well.
That the Janu Jilat Superochis, Rapanu Jelani Chesuga, Kapper to the Chlo Chitunwa. Nia Gala Chitwa, Tipa Parchi, Jabda Delaya, Nia Casa, Hopti Rupi from Tichu Kolaya, Dusani, Samsudia, Ganso Tonton Cheers. Niti Jano cheese, that day you need the day or and thing I took Namje Google Class in La Jasha use, then Google Class not so Tana degrees. Tongomuna ya launch penant got that, then the no ya pet. So
in the meantime, I added a few more items on the whiteboard of some other strategies that we introduced you to, just to remind you. So I added some things like peer evaluation, self-evaluation, graph reading, thumbs up, thumbs down, Mentimeter, voting cards. So a few more items to remind you. You should just take a picture of this also, so you remember what all you've been learning in the last 2 years.
That the Tanda Parotoani Karpan de Gala Kashi Kanunchi Shayus, the Namjin Baranga Su Tanda Chishajura, Susu Nanyam Kutsugi Cheshia, Sususugi, Anitila Cheshia, and then I saw Mama Pichatanjuga, Shugogatili Somtachi, ABCD, Damage and it won't yet math and last of Mampuchiores, Tinding at Trishayus, Nijes, no comes this la Perchijaroches, Nijela Yangasuya, Pablo Chiatan Triagi, Tablan Karikariores, and Ayanti Tensutan Pengores. Take it up, positive like that. Oh, Tainda. Yeah. Meena, the top one is a jigsaw actually. Yeah. Yes, please, go ahead.
Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing? So, my name is David Goldberg. I'm an ETSI peer mentor. George is in the back over there. Hello.
David, Chico George, Kusukarana, Emory Laya, Pa Penny Laya, Nekusula, something Ropachi or Titsu Kusutin on the yes.
very shortly, you'll be asked to fill out a survey. I promise you, it's not too long, it's not too hard. I hope it's a little bit fun.
That the jela ya chetsula dus samse dirlen chiagi tishochi yes rimbu chitame thonthon tendame es ne chetsu toyong video chi yes.
The survey will ask you some information about yourselves, like your monastery, your age, some demographic information.
Danda ge ta samse dirlen chiagi tambote la ya ni cherang ko krola ya chendu khachi ores draw khachi ores ani gomba ko ani be ani lozo ka su ching be la sopa draw khachi yes.
But then the latter half of the survey will then test your scientific reasoning and sort of experimentation ability.
That tegi jela ya ko chashi niba tegi ani choronge jiga tsenri tang dewi ko goto katsuchi yume chigorwa katsuchi shigdu ani de dvya la ya ta jiga taksha shimji la sopa dvya la ya ani niba katsuchi du tegi kola ta dwa trigores.
So this survey will help us understand how good those questions are, and if they are very good at testing, how much you guys understand about science and scientific experiments.
That dege chimagenda woterwa ani ngasuge kotishi shajiga toatezo ani netang kanado chiyemerwa yapu do mendo ani jiman jwa tangu do mendo la sopa timse ani chetsuge ani senrik nitsayang katsuchin do mendo te taichite yes.
And also something to note is that you must answer every question. So we ask that you just try your best. You don't have to know every topic or every word or every concept, but just try your best and take a guess.
Tadanda de la ya ko chachin chi yores to samala lan jago go yores ena chechu yang chama shigwa dinda mare swa shina she machine ma she to samala lan jago go yore ani kete sing me ba bana ya susu ge manitan chopa ya jasana di ko re chopa ya sit jasana di re sa.
And we will be around to answer any questions you guys have or about the survey or anything else. But also, if you don't know the concept, guessing is totally okay.
Tanga sudela yondela de yan chitsa draw yo ba na yan draw ge len de jago sro ne ke te yan chi joshi chi ko sitak ba chi ko la ha ku me ba ta tin do yim ba na chopa chi shan la degree na ta yo mares. Yeah.
The survey should be on the Google Classroom. So if you will all go to the Google Classroom, find it and click on the survey. Or there's a QR code. Oh, or there's a QR code.
Google Classroom na shashayre ne tanda de la ya ane QR code GS. Ya parchi zipoti samaya chiton chi parchi jaro che sare.
And also, because it's going to be a little bit hard to read it, I'm going to put a copy of the entire survey on each table.
Ta tanda ya khashi loya ta khabutin da chomba baina ani tanda de la ya samse durin chiya ge jwa chama yo sa ge de la ya ani pralo ja chi chi yes te doxi re ga sha ge yes.
We expect the survey to take maybe around 45 minutes. And also, after you are done with the survey, if you have any questions about the survey or what we are doing, please feel free to ask us.
Da de chaya la ya halam kamas chenga zung go ya ge ta chanyu chi ba na kamas chenga zung go gre swa ne cha ba im ba na ke te draw yo ba na ane nanta ma chi triga shos nga su len kan thu ja gos.
And also, the survey is completely anonymous. So I just try your best.
Tim se ani tanda draw khachi orwa de yang ko ge tristan te sangwa yin swa lenti de stambala ya sugte sugmate te ha ko mares tin stambala ya ani dangso gan de susu katso shi opate jaro ches. This
Thank you so much.
oh to ches